What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Dre's Tech Tip, and today we're learning how to work the VPN inside of your computer. If you work for a business and they have issued you a laptop, or they have told you to use Windows VPN to connect to the office remotely, let's get to it. Let's assume we have already logged into the computer, so now we have to connect to the VPN. Now, you may have either your cable Ethernet connection, so you're gonna have this symbol over here. Or if you're on a Wi-Fi, you may have a Wi-Fi logo over here. If you don't see either one over here, you want to click on the little arrow over here, and you should be able to see it established over here, all right? When you click on the network icon on the bottom right of your menu bar, a menu will appear showing you the VPN connection. Click on the connect button, and that will take you to your login menu. In this menu, you will use your username and password provided to you by the IT department, so that you can log into the VPN. Click connect, it's verifying, it shows connected. Right now, you are connected to the office. Okay, you're virtually connected to the office. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Okay, with that said, all of your internet traffic right now is coming in and out of the office. So you have a virtual connection to the office. However, if you come to your File Explorer over here, and you go to this PC, you're not going to see your network drives over here. Since we now have established a network connection to the office, we can now request the network drives. As you can see, this PC does not show the drives, so we're going to click on the little script that we have created for the department. Once you double click that, you see that automatically your network connections would appear. If you see that you do not have a specific drive over there, I will now show you how to get them. For example, if just the old drive populated, let me show you how to get the other drives. So what you're going to do is, on network locations, you're going to highlight everybody. You will right click on it and you will disconnect. So you no longer have the drives available. So you just come to your scroll. So you're going to double click on that, and there you go. All your drives populated. So that's how you do it. If you have a problem that it doesn't give you all the drives, that's how you can get to it. That is the best and easiest way to do it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. I hope that you liked it. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know in the comments what else you guys want to learn. Have a good one. Be safe.